Hello everybody, how are you today? Are you okay? I hope so. Super Bowl 5. Today we are going to talk about grammar, expressions of quantity. Expressions of quantity. A few, a little, a lot of, much, many, and enough. Expressions of quantity divides into two main parts. Number one, count. Number two, non-count. Here we will start with count. We use a few, many, and how many with countable nouns. For example, I eat a few carrots. Here we use a few because we have carrots. Carrots is a countable noun. So we use a few. I eat many vegetables. Here we use many because vegetables is countable noun. Excellent. How many bananas do you eat? How many bananas do you eat? Here as you see we use how many because we have bananas. Bananas is countable noun. Let's move to non-count nouns. We use a little, much, how much with non-count. For example, I eat a little seafood. Here we use a little because we have seafood. Seafood is uncountable noun. I don't eat much bread. I don't eat much bread. Here we use much. Excellent, because we have bread. Bread is uncountable noun. How much milk do you drink? How much milk do you drink? Here we use how much because we have milk. Milk is uncountable noun. Okay, notice that we cannot say I eat a little carrots. We can't use a little, much, and how much with nouns that I can or that we can count. Okay, good, excellent. Now let's move to use a lot of and enough for both count and non-count nouns. Here we have a note that we can use a lot of and enough for both count and non-count nouns. For example, I eat a lot of eggs. I eat a lot of eggs. Here we use a lot of with eggs. Eggs is countable, excellent, but I don't eat a lot of bread. A lot of bread. Bread is uncountable. So here we use a lot of with countable and non or uncountable nouns. I don't eat enough fruit. Here we use enough with fruit. Fruit is uncountable noun. Okay? Pronouns something, anything, and nothing. Okay? Examples, I have something for lunch. I have something for lunch. The next one, I don't have anything for lunch. I don't have anything for lunch. The second one, I have nothing for lunch. Okay? Now we will move to talk about sequence words. Sequence words. First, then, after that, finally. Again, sequence words. First, then, after that, and finally. For example, first, you mix the flour and the eggs. Then you add a little butter. First, you mix the flour and the eggs. Then you add a little butter, okay? After that, you put in a teaspoon of baking powder. Finally, you let it rise. Okay. Exercise number 1. Complete the sentences with something, anything, and nothing. Here we have the words. As you see, something, anything, and nothing. Okay, let's start. Number 1, you're a good cook. You're a good cook. You always have space delicious for dinner. You always have space delicious for dinner. Here we use what? We use nothing. No, it's wrong. Excellent. We use something delicious for dinner. Number 2, the refrigerator is empty. There is space to eat in here. There is space to eat in here. Here we use what? We use nothing or something. Excellent. We use nothing to eat in here. Number 3, I haven't made space special for supper. Make yourself a sandwich. Again, I haven't made space special for supper. Make yourself a sandwich. Here we use what? I haven't made. Excellent. I haven't made anything special for supper. Number 4, there's space better than a nice cup of coffee after a meal. Again, please. There is space better than a nice cup of coffee after a meal. The answer is something. No, there is. Excellent. There is nothing better than a nice cup of coffee after a meal. Let's move now to the next exercise. Complete the recipe. Use after, before, twice, first, finally, and then. Note here we will use before twice, which means 2 times, and then as well. Here we have the words after, before, first, finally, then. Again, please listen carefully. After, before, first, finally, and then. Let's start. Number 1, space, you start. Check that you have all the ingredients. Okay, space, again, you start. Check that you have all the ingredients. So here, we use what? 2 choices. Start, before, or first. Before you start or first you start? Excellent. Before you start, check that you have all the ingredients. Number 2, space, put 3 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 3 teaspoons of baking powder into a bowl. Okay? So here after we use this before. We will use now at the beginning of the paragraph. Okay, excellent. We use first. Okay, first put 3 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 3 teaspoons of baking powder into a bowl. Number 3, space. Add half a cup of milk and tablespoon of margarine and 1 egg to the ingredients in the bowl. Okay, so here we start with before, then using first. So before, First, not finally. We use finally at the end of the paragraph. So we use, excellent, we use them. Number, okay, let's repeat the example. Okay, and mix them well to make the dough. Okay, number 4. Space, you have made the dough. Let it stand for about 30 minutes. Okay. Who can tell me the answer here? Okay. Before, first, then. Excellent. We use it after you have made the dough. Let it stand for about 30 minutes. Number 5. Space. You spread the dough. Make it sure resin enough. So here we use what? Okay. After, no, excellent. We use it before you spread the dough. Okay. As I told you that we will use it before twice, 2 times. So we use before. Space number 1 and space number 5. Number 6. Space, spread it evenly on the pan using your fingers. Space, spread it evenly on the pan using your fingers. Okay? Before you spread, okay? Not finally. I told you that we use finally at the end of the paragraph. So here we use, excellent, we use then. Then here is the last space at the end of paragraph. So we will choose what? First? No. Excellent. We use finally, you cover it with cheese and tomato sauce and let it bake in a very hot oven for about 30 minutes. Okay, now let's read the paragraph again. Before you start, check that you have all the ingredients. First, pour 3 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 3 teaspoons of baking powder into a bowl. Then add half a cup of milk, 1 tablespoon of margarine, and 1 egg to the ingredients in that bowl. And mix them well to make the dough. After you have made the dough, let it stand for about 30 minutes. Before you spread the dough, make sure it has risen enough. Then spread it evenly on the pan using your fingers. Finally, you cover it with cheese and tomato sauce and let it bake in a very hot oven for about 30 minutes. Okay? Thank you so much for your listening. Have a nice day. Goodbye.